Hey guys, welcome to the new video of Blue Eye, and I'm your Blue Eye here. Today we are going to discuss about the brand new powers obtained by Boruto in the Boruto anime. So very interesting video, let's get started. So the first power we are going to discuss is the Chakra Saber, and it has been released in the teaser shown in the Jump Fiesta. So right now we are watching Boruto in action with that Chakra Saber. So it has been already released in the manga, but for the anime the first look was given in the Jump Fiesta, and it works based on the chakra of the holder, but it seems to be very powerful weapon to use, and we can see Boruto gets hold of it so easily. And I think there is a few episodes left for Boruto to get into the action, the anime. So yeah, so the second one, which is a pretty devastating power, I'm sure you got surprised. It's the Chidori plus Rasengan, which has been seen in an opening of Boruto anime. You can see it right now in front of your eyes, guys. So that's two A-rank jutsus that has been combined to form a deadly devastating jutsu, which is of course the Chidori plus Rasengan. So we already know that Boruto has electrical release, wind release, and also water release. And Sasuke is his teacher right now. So it is just a matter of time that Boruto can easily master Chidori, and he already knows Rasengan. So when we watch the both of them behind, we get a new deadly jutsu, which is just a shocking jutsu to come into the hand of Boruto. So that makes it more deadlier, which is the combination of Chidori and Rasengan. When he finally master that, that's gonna be a deadly jutsu, man. That's gonna be a deadly jutsu, which is the combination of two A-rank jutsus. So, and remembering Boruto's chakra as the disadvantage, because even Sasuke could use only 3 times Chidori per day. So per his chakra regeneration level, so I don't think Boruto can use it as a ready to go jutsu, but jutsu which he can use just at worst case scenario. So the third one we are going to discuss is Jogan, which I made a specific video about it. So if you want, you can watch it, the links in the description below. So Jogan is shown in the anime, and it's still very mysterious. So it's basically a new dojutsu that has been recently released in the anime. Boruto anime was the first anime in which we see Jogan, and it's exclusive only for Boruto. And there is a quite specific reason for this, which being Jogan is exclusive for Boruto. The reason behind this is the 6-part Sage chakra in Naruto and Hamura's chakra in Hinata fused and resulted in this abnormal new dojutsu in their first child, that is Boruto. It basically belongs to the dimension of Otsutsuki clan, and it's also said to be the threat, which is a great word, because Boruto is also treated as a threat to the Otsutsuki clan members. So that's pretty mysterious for that. And the fourth one which we are going to discuss is none other than the Karma Seal, which is the hot topic right now both in the manga and the anime. It was shown the first time in manga, but in the anime also it was shown. It's pretty mysterious, just like Jogan. And in the first episode, in the first glimpse itself, we get Karma Seal and Jogan revealed. So it was found in Boruto's palm after he beat Otsutsuki Momoshiki. So they were in a separate time space, which was also a cut scene in the Boruto's episode. So Sasuke already saw that scene with his Rinnegan. So its whatabouts are unknown in the anime, but manga had a pretty good explanation about it. In the manga, it's known that the seal holder becomes the vessel for the Otsutsuki, and soon the seal maker, I mean the Momoshiki Otsutsuki, will take over the body of the holder, I mean Boruto. So there are many other seal holders in the anime which are still need to be introduced, and there seems to be another way of getting Karma seal other than getting it right from the Otsutsuki member too, which I never knew. So let's get to the fifth one. The fifth one is of course Vanishing Rasengan, but it's pretty much compressed Rasengan according to Boruto. So it's Boruto's speciality Rasengan, which he used it for defeating Momoshiki Otsutsuki. Due to his strong change in the chakra nature of Boruto, his Rasengan transforms and it suddenly appears before the enemy and takes him by surprise. So that's pretty interesting, which is specifically only for Boruto's strong chakra nature and chakra change in chakra nature more precisely. So yeah, and he modified this and found the most powerful compressed Rasengan, which can easily take down the is an episode. He takes down an enemy by using this compressed Rasengan, and he also defeats Deepa using this compressed Rasengan power. So it's pretty lethal, it deals pretty lethal damage. That's it guys. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe guys, because it takes a lot of time for me to make these videos and to present it well before you. And comment any additional information that I in case missed in the video, and meet you in the next one. Bye guys, this is Blue Eyes signing off. See ya.